you see us jump, you go. What up guys, welcome to another video. Today we have the Perrin 10th gen Honda Civic Type R Catback exhaust, and I think we are the first ones on the internet making this video, so I'm very honored. Thank you Perrin for taking care of us on the channel. And yeah, this is Tanner, if you guys don't know, if you guys are new here, and we are about to open this exhaust up and see what it looks like on the inside. What's the verdict? How's the instructions looking?
A giant piece of plastic underneath we had to take off.
Oh, fun. 12, what else? Okay. Extensions or no? Getting under the car, got the jack stands on. Let's see what kind of exhaust we're looking at. We already can see a resonator, a second resonator. Really small, like 2-inch pipe, another 3 mufflers in the back, so we're hoping this thing gets quite a bit louder. Look how small the piping is right here. That's probably pretty restricting and holds a lot of volume as well as flow, so the power gain should be pretty fun too. What's popping under here? Just a big plastic tray?
Yeah, pretty much. So you got quarter turns, 4 of them, and then you got 2 Phillips that hold this little metal tray in.
10 mil.
Thank you. So it's just 2 Allen bolts that sit right at the back of the plastic.
You know what size that is?
5. So we got the plastic shield all out of the way. It'll expose our 3 nuts that we need to loosen after we remove the exhaust from the back of the car forward. Just because of how long this piece is. This is one full run all the way back to the very back muffler. So
this is like the longest catback I've ever seen.
yes, as far as one solid run.
Because it's like mid-piping.
Yes, exactly. I got the hanger off in the middle of the exhaust.
This is Jerry's Type R. Jerry, how long have you had it?
3 months.
You like it?
Love it.
You've been a pretty deep Honda owner, yeah?
Yeah.
How many Hondas have you had?
This would be my 5th.
Oh wow, cool.
So I've had Civics, Ridgeline, a minivan.
Cool. Well, is this the coolest, fastest Honda you've had?
Absolutely.
Cool. All right, well, let's get this fun, loud exhaust on and get this big old thing out of here. This is future us. We have the whole exhaust off, but we realized that this is not the downpipe. Me and Tanner assumed, so we didn't take it off, but this is actually part of the catback that goes directly under the motor.
Straight to the cat.
Straight to the cat, which is up underneath here. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that off now.
So this little guy here, giant pain in the butt. So there's a section of heat shield that goes underneath the car here, in between the body and the exhaust, that is taking up space that we need to get this rest of the exhaust out. So 10 millimeter, and we'll get this removed. They're using the heat shield now that I can see to protect fuel lines and other lines coming from the inside of the car from the heat of the exhaust. But it's also taking up space to get the last section of the exhaust out of the car. So you. Ta-da!
Before, after. If you notice, most of this is accessible with no wobblies, just normal extensions. Super nice.
Alright, let's go do the heat shield and then we can start doing the rest of the exhaust.
Finally. It took forever, Tanner.
I know, I'm sorry. I got big hands.
To adjust the back muffler to make sure that it's square in the hole, loosen up this very back bracket on the tubing, get your muffler square, snug up your both sides here, and then we'll re-tighten up this last clamp again.
Perfect. Is that it?
Start it up!
Woo! Definitely more volume, but you can't rev it past 3 when it's sitting still. All clear? Ooh.
Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference.
Oh yeah. That was perfect. That was sick.
Nice.
Alright, that was good. I'll catch you later.
All right, well,
Thanks for everything, Jerry.
Thanks, man.
See ya. I'll talk to you soon. The next day now, talked to Jerry. He said no drone on the freeway, which is perfect because he got the resonated version, and he said noticeable gains through the whole RPM, especially on the freeway. But he said around town he can tell that it's an aftermarket exhaust. It's quite a bit louder in the cab, so he's really digging it. It's a perfect J. Lee driver setup, and my favorite part is it goes from triple to dual tips, and I think the two bigger ones looks more aggressive. So if you guys want an exhaust like this on your Type R, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video.